just leaving Howard's Grocery down here in Hebert, Louisiana. Had to get us a couple of supplies for a day on the water. But my buddy Jacob Bell's is gonna meet me. We're going fishing today for the first time since the boys have been born. Like me fishing, like not invited, not going to like Gros Savant or some other hot hole. So this is gonna be fun. We're gonna have a good time, and we're gonna fish a little place called Beth River, a place that I grew up fishing. I've done a lot of stuff here over the years. A place that's part of me. Can't wait till the boys are old enough to get them and come show them the river. And it's just like prototypical Louisiana. Cypress trees, Spanish moss, alligators, grass, you name it. It's got it all. Snakes. You know, it's just full of wildlife, full of good stuff, and kind of void of people, honestly. So, not known for big ones, but known for, you know, good fishing. So we're gonna go have fun. We got every rod we got on the deck, and we're just gonna see what we catch. And you know what? We're probably gonna keep some and eat them to celebrate the holiday weekend. So let's go put the boat in the water. We'll be at the boat ramp in a second. My buddy Jacob Bells, you've seen him with all of our Duck Commander stuff. Birthday fat, son. He's hunted with me a lot. He's gonna meet me down. He's gonna jump in the boat with us, and me, him, and Jared are gonna jump in the river and take a little spin in that brand new Express. Try to put some more dirt on it. So y'all come along. Let's have some fun. Pro tip: don't forget to plug. Oh. Yeah, it is. God, what a grinnell.
Don't stick that thing in this boat. I was trying to tell you the whole way.
No, I know. I wanted to mess around. I didn't even have my chesty running. Boy, that sucker smoked it though. You think I care? It's been so long since I've been fishing. A bite feels good. Did you see that sucker shark that thing? Unbelievable. What you got, buddy? Oh, you got the right one. I got old Toothy out of the way. Look at there, getting back boated already. Didn't take long. Yeah, I sure do. Right up under Jared's feet. Turn it. You may want to close it right there. The controls by the steering wheel. Oh man, I ripped like half my skirt off. Look at it hanging right there. Golly. Look at that good. Already? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is dang big. And look at that goo. That's that old Beth River bass. Boy, he choked it too. Y'all keep going. We on that goo bag, son. Yeah, in my rod box. Not my rod box, my tackle box. Here, it's Jacob. They're gonna be right there. Open that deal. And, all right. We already got the freaking Louisiana Slam. Look at that chicken snake. No. See? No. Look at him hanging on the side of that tree. No. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Come on.
Living proof. I'm here to tell you right now, it ain't my responsibility if he's got phones in his pocket.
That's a dang bull, son.
You don't think I won't push his butt out of here?
That's a dang bull. You hear? There he is. On them rocks. I'm showing you all my juice now.
Two up on him already.
Sorry.
Three, yep, two. Put hands in mine.
I just threw there. That's a dang good one.
You better get that. No,
I better get some chartreuse on. Is that what you telling me? Wash perfect eater. We gonna have us a fish fry, Jack.
That's number 3 on it.
That's, hey, if you don't think I ain't got a black and chartreuse square bill. There ought to be one between that point of grass and that tree on that point though. Little rat. Yeah, it's probably gonna look like square bill on the main river. And then blades when you get in this kind of crap, I would imagine.
That's always said it.
I call it. Hey, hey, hey. That's one of them that'll send that fresh new treble hook a foot deep in you. Get him out of there. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Boy, the end is though, he probably think he ain't alive with. Come on, man. Can you put his fins up? Golly, I done got poked. You don't know what to think about what this had.
Whole pocket first.
I'm gonna flip just a couple of things real quick, just for funsies. I'm gonna flip just a couple of these little, cause that top ain't got but 5 foot of water in it right there.
Really?
According to the depth finder.
Y'all be able to see fish in it.
I didn't look in it. These fish probably ain't real slick to forward facing sonar yet, but. Here you go, take that trolling motor while I do this.
While you flip?
Yeah. Yeah, that way you can still fish, because you ain't gonna be able to do nothing with me. Chasing this dragon. Boom, baby.
I just take one off.
Now that one will eat. That one's bigger than the last one.
He had some younger in his system. He ain't got no quit in him. Love about a risk. There's gonna be a bluegill come by. I can eat it.
Oh, there he was, man. Golly. Unbelievable. That was 100% a bass there. He didn't get no medal either. Unbelievable. Am I over you?
No, you know.
Okay. Another rat. Boy, it sure made me feel good.
Did you get it hard?
Yeah. Had to be more than one of them.
It had to have been.
Had to have been a couple of them. Good night. I'm gonna have to keep him anyway.
Oh, he hurt.
Don't hurt me. I'm sorry. This wasn't the way that I intended this to go. Did you leave my pliers up?
No, I didn't get him.
Oh. I'll tell you what. Go out there and think about it. Well, that was fun. Look, I'm wearing a different shirt. Promise it's the same day, but I work for Academy Sports too, and they have a new summer retro USA America collection. Check them out if you like Magellan fishing shirts. I love them, obviously. But I had to take a quick photo in it for them. But we're headed home. I think we caught 25 or 30 bass. Good day. We just didn't catch any big ones, but that happens, man. That place isn't known for big ones, but you know, I was hoping to catch like a 3-pounder, but it was fun. That's my first like real day of me fishing since the boys have been born, like taking my boat and like doing things my way, that kind of deal, not being invited and stuff like that. So I take it as a win. So we are going to head on back to the house and get these bass cleaned up. Yes, that's right, we kept bass. I don't care what y'all say, we kept them. We gonna eat them. You know why? Because they're made of fish. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna eat them. We're gonna have a good Memorial Day celebration. Hope y'all like this video. Appreciate all the support, guys. We should have more Fin Commander stuff coming for you this summer. We're out.